Hello everyone. Welcome to day 2 of our 30 days English listening challenge. Today you will listen to a simple English story. There are 3 sections in this lesson. Before each section you will see a question. Listen carefully, find the answer, and write your answer in the comments. Let's begin. Before we start section 1, here is your first question. How many people are in Sarah's family? Listen carefully and find the answer. Write your answer in the comments. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 20 years old. Today, I want to tell you about my family. I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my brother, and me. We live in a small house. I love my family very much. My father is 48 years old. His name is John. He works in a bank. He goes to work every morning. He is kind and hardworking. My mother is 45 years old. Her name is Anna. She is friendly and caring. She likes spending time with our family. We often eat dinner together and talk about our day. Did you find the answer? The answer is option B. There are 4 people in Sarah's family. Did you get it right? Great job. Now let's move to section 2. Before we start section 2, here is your next question. What is Sarah's mother's job? Listen carefully and find the answer. Write your answer in the comments. Sarah's mother works at a school. She is an English teacher. She teaches young students every day. Sarah thinks her mother is very patient. She always helps her students. Sarah enjoys listening to her mother's stories about school. Sarah also has one brother. His name is Michael. He is 16 years old. He goes to high school. Michael likes studying science. He also enjoys spending time with his friends. After school, he usually goes to the park. Sometimes Sarah goes with him. They enjoy talking and walking together. Did you find the answer? The answer is option B. Teacher. Sarah's mother is an English teacher. Excellent work. Now let's continue to the final section. Before we start section 3, here is your last question. What is Michael's favorite sport? Listen carefully and find the answer. Write your answer in the comments. Every weekend, Sarah's family spends time together. Sometimes they visit their grandparents. Sometimes they go to the park. Sarah enjoys these family trips. In the evening, they usually have dinner together. Everyone talks and laughs. After dinner, Michael often watches football on television. Football is his favorite sport. He enjoys watching football matches with his friends. He also likes playing football after school. One day, he hopes to become a football player. Sarah is always happy when her family is together. She feels lucky to have a loving family. Did you find the answer? The answer is option C. Football. Michael's favorite sport is football. Congratulations! You have finished today's listening practice. How many answers did you get correct? Write your score in the comments. If you miss any answer, listen the section again and find the answer. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow for day 3. Goodbye.